Welcome! In this video, we'll explore a unique living space designed to dwell in harmony with nature. This project prioritizes both function and form, creating a home that seamlessly blends with its surroundings and caters to the needs of its inhabitants. The key element of this design is the central patio. Nestled adjacent to a forest, this open-air space becomes the heart of the home. Imagine stepping outside your door and feeling instantly connected to the natural world. On the opposite side of the patio lies the living room. This social space allows you to connect with family and friends while still maintaining a connection to nature. Intimate spaces are cleverly positioned at the back of the lot, offering a sense of privacy and tranquility. This could be your bedroom, reading nook, or a dedicated meditation area. The bridge between these contrasting zones is an innovative block housing the service rooms. This functional block efficiently separates the private areas from the social spaces without sacrificing flow. Moving beyond layout, the design delves into the concept of functional form. The geometry of the main room isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it serves an acoustic purpose. Notice the absence of parallel walls or floors. This clever design feature helps to dampen sound and create a more peaceful and comfortable living environment. Imagine waking up to the sounds of nature, enjoying meals on the patio bathed in sunlight, and unwinding in a living space that fosters calm and connection. This design is a testament to the power of integrating function and form to create a home that truly allows you to dwell in harmony with nature. Here's a look at the floor plans of the home. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of a home designed for nature lovers. We hope this video has inspired you to consider how your living space can better connect you to the natural world.